I'm in the bus. I'm on my way to the train station because I'm spending the day with my aunt in Amsterdam, but I'm gonna go with the train.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento. As I
This is Share. We just went to the exhibition. What do you think? It was if you rated 1 out of 10.
Like a 7.
7. Same. It wasn't bad, but it was okay. It was not worth the money, but it was okay.
And we were also not listening, so there's that.
We were half listening. I was at least half listening.
I wasn't listening, so.
We're hunting for a food place because we're hungry. I bought this jello. It's yogurt jello. I want to try. Do you want to try with me? I think they can see the reflection. Someone's reflection. Oh, it smells like the same. It's like a...
Is it dat erin?
Yeah.
Ik dacht het was liquid.
No, it is a jello.
Lekker.
It doesn't taste like the same. It doesn't taste like the drink. It does smell like the drink, but it doesn't really taste like the drink. It's kind of like soury.
It's because when you put the whole thing in your mouth. Come on.
But it's not bad.
I don't know.
Isn't it?
The drink is better.
I also bought a Malacao. So cute. So cute. Is it shaped like a cow? No. That's sad.
Yes.
4 out of 10. It's very sweet. It's a little bit milky.
It's a 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
It tastes more like coconut.
Coconut.
I swear my gate was like coconut.
I don't think they have different tastes, but
I think they do.
oh no, Haruto fighting. I just went to the market. I couldn't film, it was so busy. And I am now walking to my aunt's house and I'm gonna go after that pick up my cousin's birthday cake because his birthday was last Wednesday and we were celebrating today. But I put an order for a cake and I have to pick that up. So I'm gonna do that. It's so fucking cold. Got the cake. Ja, kappen nou. baked some cookies, like little dragons, and then there's like a stamp saying 2024 and a little bear right here. A little bear holding cashew nuts, and there is other one with it's like a blessing, or like something like that. And I baked them, put it in this little cute bag for my classmates. So I'm gonna give it to them. Jawel. Look at those strawberries. It's big. Kijk hoe groot ze zijn. Huge.
In Nederland alles een groot mensen.
Nee, deze zijn lekker hoor.
Maar we gaan niet.
This is fun.
Ik zit er, I don't care.
Ik vind blond wel leuk, maar het is echt gewoon wennen aan jou. Nee, daarom. Alsjeblieft, dank u. Bubble tea for the princess.
Anders komt de speeksel.
Welcome to my vlog. I have your phone.
We zijn een vlog aan het maken.
Ja. Je ziet het niet eens.
Even lekker lumpia eten om 4 uur.
Oh, you can't see me. You can't see us. We're gonna make lumpia at 4 a.m. We got half-eaten cheese board.
Cheese platter.
Cheese platter, whatever you want to. It's half-eaten because we ate earlier. And honey.
Ik heb een steek.
You okay?
Ik wil gewoon eten, Milan. Nee, je fucking kut op niks.
What did I say? Welcome to my random vlog. This girl. Here, there you go, talk.
I'm very happy to be here. It is a beautiful palace, a place.
A palace. She's so weird.